Hello, this is Carl Renneman. Today I am going to be showing you how to use Zoom. Just go to New Meeting. It will connect with the audio. Once it's done connecting with the audio, it'll come up with another page. I'm just waiting on that page right now, and then now it says join with computer audio. You'll want to push join with computer audio. All right. In order to put the meeting in MP3 format, you'll go to Stop Video, which you now see is in audio format. Or if you want to start the video, you'll go to Start Video, which gives you a face-to-face format. All right. Under security, you'll see all these options. So we have lock meeting, enable waiting room, share screen, chat, rename themselves, and unmute themselves. So you can just go into security, and for the purpose of this video, I am not going to be going through all the options in security. However, if you want to invite people, you'll go to participant, and then you'll push invite, and then under invite it says copy invite link or copy invitation. So you can pick either one, or you can go to your Gmail or other email services and send the link that way. Okay, and then you'll want to go to screen, share screen, and if you want to share a YouTube video, you'll before you record your audio, you'll want to go to your browser, pull up YouTube, and then YouTube will show in here under share screen. And then in order to record, you'll just push record. Okay. All right, and that's it for that. In the next video, I will show you how to upload Zoom to audio and video and put it online. Okay, thank you.